Welcome to Let's Cook That Book. I'm Mimi Baines and today I'm cooking from Tiffany Hall's online fitness program, TIFXO, and I'm cooking garlic barbecue prawns with salad. So we're going to start by making the dressing, which we use for both the prawns and the salad. So we've got some parsley here, a bit of Dijon mustard, pinch of sea salt, some lemon juice. These are great little citrus juices. Keep your hands nice and clean. And they're so easy to throw out. And then some olive oil. And we're just going to combine this all together before adding some to the prawns and the salad. We're going to pop some of this dressing over the prawns with some crushed garlic. Mix this all together. And we're going to let this sit in the fridge for about 5 minutes and then come back and cook it. While the prawns are in the fridge, I'm just going to get onto the salad. So thinly slice this cabbage up. Make sure you've got a nice sharp knife for this. Next, we're just going to combine everything into the bowl and then add some dressing over as well. So we've got some beautiful broccolini florets. We've got some Brussels sprouts, just finely sliced. All in. We have some lentils, canned lentils, just drained and rinsed. Some grated carrot. Sunflower seeds. And a good lot of parsley here. Just going to mix this together before I pop on the dressing, just so we make sure that everything gets a bit of dressing. Looks so nice and colourful, this recipe. All the different vegetables, so great and healthy for you. Next, we're going to pop on some of the dressing that we made and put on the prawns earlier. Just lightly sprinkle it, we don't want too much dressing. And then combine this together. I reckon it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to go grab the prawns from the fridge. So the prawns have been in the fridge for about 5 minutes. We're going to get them cooking. Nice sizzle on that. These prawns are quite little, they won't really need that much cooking time, so just keep a close eye on them. While the prawns are cooking, I'm just going to cut up some lime to serve with. It's always best if you roll your limes and lemons before you cut them. And because we've rolled this lime, it's really nice and juicy and ready for you to use. All right, so these prawns are just about ready to be flipped. Oh, they're looking great. Don't want to overcook prawns. Not much to them, so they don't take too long. So while I'm finishing off these prawns, I'm just going to get plating up this salad. Looks gorgeous with all the different vegetables. So many different colours in there. So these prawns are all done now. I'm just going to put them straight onto the salad. It's easy as that. Serve with some limes. And there you have it. There's Tiffany Hall's garlic barbecue prawns with salad. Just tastes fun.